Hello and welcome. So how do you connect Zendrop to TikTok Shop? Now it's going to be really quick and just follow me through on this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the TikTok Shop now so we can commence process. Now go ahead and go to apps and services, and now you're going to need to go to App Store, and you can search it here if it's available in your country. Happens to be unavailable in mine, so you're going to be finding it here on the popular platforms if it's available in your country. Now we got Wish, we got Adobe, we got all sorts of stuff here. Okay, so AliExpress, Shopee. I'm going to do an example on how to do this. Like this is Zendrop right here, the Shopee. Like for example, if you already found Zendrop here, just go ahead and click install, and they're going to be asking you for your information here, like your email. Go ahead and do that. Scroll down, click this box right here, and press confirm. And that's just basically it. How to connect apps. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.